Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be super special. A lot of you have asked for this video. In this video, I am going to give you a 14-day practice plan which will definitely help you to get your desired scores, especially after the changes. If you're aiming for a band 6, band 7, band 8, which is 79, 65 or 15 PT, this video has got everything for you. I'm going to give you all the question types you need to practice over the next 14 days, including the mock test, full mock test and extensive mock test, which will help you come over all your weakness and get your desired scores. Before I give you the plan, first of all, let me give you an overview of what are the most important question types in PT, what questions are of average importance, and what of the question types are not important at all. Let's start with speaking. Read aloud, I'll put this in average importance. Repeat sentence, extremely important. Describe image, extremely important. Retell lecture, extremely important. Answer short questions, not important. Respond to situation, average importance. Summarize group discussion, extremely important. Summarize written text and essay, extremely important because now they're going to give you a lot of points in writing. Both the reading blanks, drag and drop down blanks, extremely important. Reorders, average importance. MCQ multiple, MCQ single, not that important. Listening, summarize spoken text, highlight incorrect words and write from dictation, extremely important. Listening, fill in the blanks, average importance. MCQ single, MCQ multiple. From listening, select missing word and highlight correct summary, not that important. Over the next 14 days, you have to put primary focus, your primary key area of focus should be the most important question types, and after this, if you have time, focus on the average importance as well. Don't spend a lot of time on questions which are not that important. When I say not important, it's not that they're not contributing anything, but it's not worth it to spend a lot of time on these ones because these are not going to give you a lot of points. Now let's get started with the plan. 14-day plan. Make sure before you follow this plan, you have to at least devote 2 to 3 hours of religious practice. You have to make sure you study religiously, put in your everything while you practice, and you have all your distractions away. Place your phone on do not disturb, get rid of this social media and stuff. Do not watch this video as well. Just take notes while you're watching this video so that you don't have to go to YouTube again and again, otherwise you'll be distracted. All right, let's get started. I'll be sharing the plan on the screen. You can have a look and I'll be telling you what you have to do. Day 1, you have to start with read aloud. 10 read aloud, 20 repeat sentence, 3 describe image. Summarize written text 1, summarize spoken text 1 to 2, 10 listening blanks and 25 write from dictations. You have to make sure you practice these for the first day. It's not too much, so I don't really want you to be overburdened on day 1. That is why we have kept it low-key, kept it easy and simple. Now we'll jump on to day 2. We'll start with retell lecture, 3 retell lecture, 3 summarize group discussion and 3 respond to situation, 1 writing essay because we did summarize written text on day 1, 2 summarize spoken text, 10 listening fill in the blanks and 20 to 25 write from dictation. Day 3 will be again read aloud, repeat sentence and describe image, 10 read aloud, 20 repeat sentence, 3 describe image. As we did essay yesterday or day 2, day 3 we'll do 1 summarize written text, 15 reading drag and drop blanks and 15 drop down blanks, and then you'll do 5 to 10 reorders. No listening here, we'll just do speaking and reading today. Day 4 will be again speaking and listening. We'll start with retell lecture, 3 retell lecture, 3 summarize group discussion, 3 respond to situation, 1 writing essay, then we'll jump on to listening. For listening, we'll do 2 summarize spoken text, 10 listening fill in the blanks, 5 highlight incorrect words and 25 write from dictations. Remember, whenever you practice listening, especially summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks or write from dictation, any spelling mistake you make, you need to note it down. It's not that you're just practicing, okay, I made a mistake and you're moving on. It's not about practicing a lot. You can practice a few less questions, but you need to make sure whatever you practice, you understand your mistakes, you do not repeat the same, and you actually improve. That is the whole idea. All right, so this is one thing you need to be very careful about. Same thing in writing module as well. Day 5 we'll be doing few question types which we have not done yet. We'll start with read aloud 10, 20 repeat sentences, 3 describe image, 1 summarize written text, then 15 drop down blanks, 15 drag and drop blanks, 5 to 10 reorders. Along with this, we'll do 5 reading MCQ single and 5 reading MCQ multiple, just to have some idea what these questions are about, and then 5 each of listening MCQ single, MCQ multiple, select missing word and highlight correct summary. This will be our day 5, and once we have done this, next day means day 6, tomorrow we are going to do extensive mock test, sectional mock test. We'll do speaking, reading, writing and listening, extensive mock test. While you do the mock test, I need you to be fully focused. I want you to give your 100%. And once you're done with the mock test, it's not just about doing it. Make sure you give yourself at least 15 to 20 minutes. Review the mock test. With the mock test, when you do it on languageacademy.com.au, you'll get feedback, analysis, score, where you have lost points, why you have lost points, and how you have to improve the same. Make sure you look at your mistakes, because the next day we're going to do full mock test now. Make sure you look at the mistakes, note those down so that you actually remember those and you do not repeat the same mistakes in your full mock test. After day 6, we'll do a full mock test on day 7. In here, you have to make sure you attempt this as if you are taking your actual test. You do not have to be lenient, you have to give everything. It will take around 2 hours 15 minutes for you to complete the full mock test, after which what you'll be doing is you'll spend 1 hour going through each and every question you have attempted and noting down all the mistakes you have made. Especially you have to focus on question types which are extremely important. And out of the most important question types, you have to figure out 4 question types or 4 areas where you have lost a lot of points, because over the next 2 to 3 days we are going to focus on weak areas in the full mock test. So day 7 full mock test, you identify 4 weak areas, and now we jump on to day 8. Our day 8 will start with weak areas. We have to spend 30 minutes on weak area 1, 30 minutes on weak area 2, and same 30 minutes on weak area 3 and 30 minutes on weak area 4. Along with this, you have to do 20 repeat sentence, 3 describe image, 2 summarize spoken text and 20 write from dictation. If out of these 4 question types, any of this question type is your weak area, you don't worry about practicing it again. You simply skip it and move on to day 9. So you have to give 30 minutes each on all the weak areas, and then you have to practice these 4 question types as well. This will be day number 8. We'll jump on to day number 9, where we'll be putting time on weak area 1 and weak area 2 as well. So day number 9, weak area 1 30 minutes, weak area 2 30 minutes, read a lecture 3, summarize group discussion 3. 15 reading drag and drop blanks, 15 reading drop down blanks, 10 listening fill in the blanks, 25 write from dictation. Day 10 will focus on weak area 3 and 4. 30 minutes on weak area 3, 30 minutes on weak area 4 as well. Along with this, 25 repeat sentence, 3 describe image, 3 respond to your situation, 1 writing essay as well. On top of that, 10 reading reorder paragraphs, 2 summarize spoken text, around 10 to 15 listening fill in the blanks, and 20 to 25 write from dictation. Very important. If any of these question types is part of your weak area 3 or 4, you do not practice it afterwards. You just devote 30 minutes on weak area 3 and 4. This will be the end of day 10, and day 11 will be taking a full mock test again. So you buckle up, be ready. Make sure you give your 120% here. Make sure you do not look at the templates, do not use Google, do not use anything. You have to do it as if you are actually taking the test. I see a lot of students taking the full mock test and then they use Google to check spellings. They use Google or ChatGPT to even write the essay. You're just fooling yourself. You're just wasting your time. Be loyal and honest to yourself. All right. Day 11, after full mock test again, spend 30 to 40 minutes at least. Figure out where you've gone wrong, why you have gone wrong, and make sure you note down all the mistakes so that you do not repeat the same in your next mock test and in your actual test as well. From this full mock test as well, you have to identify 4 weak areas. Day 12 and day 13, we have to focus on those weak areas. Now day 12, you'll be spending 30 minutes on weak area 1 and 2. Then you'll practice repeat sentence, describe image, and summarize group discussion. Around 25 repeat sentence, 3 describe image, and 3 summarize group discussion. 1 writing essay, because it is extremely important for writing now, and 2 summarize spoken text, 10 listening fill in the blanks, and 25 write from dictation. This will be day 12, and we'll move on to day 13 now. Day 13, we have to focus on weak area 3 and 4 from the mock test, 30 minutes each. Around 10 read alouds, 25 repeat sentence, 3 read a lecture, 10 reading reorder paragraphs, 1 to 2 summarize spoken text, 5 highlight incorrect words, and 25 write from dictation. This is what you have to do, and you will be all right, all good to go. Now, day 14, I want you to take another full mock test. This will be your full and final full mock test. But before you take the full mock test on day 14, I want you to go through whatever you have practiced till now, see what mistakes you made in extensive mock test, in the two full mock tests which you have taken, and while practicing. Revise the spelling list which you have made, and now you are ready for your final mock test. Take the final mock test, give your 100%, and yes, look at the scorecard. If you're aiming for, let's say, 65, you should be getting 65 in all the modules in the full mock test. If not, repeat one more week. If you get around 75, 76 in all the modules, you'll be fine to go for the test. If you're aiming for 50, you should be at least getting 50 each in all the modules in the full mock test. If not, look at what mistakes you have made, repeat the practice plan for another week. Unless and until you do not get your scores in the full mock test, please do not book your test, because the scoring is pretty similar, pretty accurate, and you are likely to get the same scores in the actual test as well. So one thing which I want you to tell, how you have to see if you're doing it the right way or not, what your accuracy should be. Your accuracy in read aloud should be 80%, repeat sentence 80%, describe image, retell lecture, summarize group discussion, respond to a situation around 85%. Writing essay and summarize written text at least 80% in both. Both the reading blanks at least 70%, reorder paragraph at least 65%, summarize spoken text at least 90%, listening fill in the blanks 90%, highlight incorrect words 90%, and write from dictation 90 to 95%. This should be your accuracy rate. You can see how accurate you're going with the practice when you go on daily feedback and daily practice. You'll get to know you have practiced this many questions, this is your accuracy rate, and these are the comments or remarks, and this is how you have to improve. This will be the end of day 14, and I hope if you follow this plan religiously, 100% you are going to get your desired scores. That's it from this practice plan. What you need to do is you need to make sure you go on languageacademy.com.au, practice, give your 100% when you're practicing reading. If you go wrong anywhere, there is explanation video of each and every passage. Make sure you actually listen to the explanation of each and every blank, why the right answer is the right answer, why you have gone wrong, and what you actually need to do to get full points. All right, so this is what I want you to do. Follow this plan for 14 days and success will be yours. If you have any doubts, if you need any help, let me know in the comment section. If you want any help online with classes, with anything regarding PTE, we do provide online classes and on-campus classes for PTE Academic, PTE Core, everything about PTE. We've got it covered. Just give us a call, send us a message. We will be with you, and we will give our 100% to help you out, like we have helped more than 50,000 students till date. Now go on languageacademy.com.au and start practicing, or you can download the LAPT exam practice app as well.